To do this trend, you need Capcut application and a Face application. You can download Face application from Play or App Store. After downloading, open the application and you don't have to take a subscription to use this feature. Now after this, add your photo from gallery. Now slide left and go to gender and choose any one gender option from the two, male 1 or male 2. Now after this, save the photo to gallery. Now after this, click the link given below in my description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template and add your photos from gallery. First, add the edited photo and then the real photo. After adding the photos, click on Preview. Now check your video and export. Now, after exporting, go back to New Project and add your exported video. Now, delete the end part and then add the audio you want to add in it. If you want my audio, you can get it from the link given in the description. Now check your video and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.